Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This video is a follow-up to another video that I made about 2-3 weeks ago, which was explaining to you how my team and I build and develop AI chatbots for affiliates websites, both our affiliates websites and our clients' website. In this previous video, I showed you how you can create the foundation of a very good AI chatbot for your affiliate site and how you can make it better than some of the top websites in the world using a no-code and low-code platform called Chatbot Builder AI. This video is a follow-up, so it's going to be part of a series of videos that I'm going to be releasing. So if you're into affiliate marketing and you want to know how to leverage chatbots for your websites, I highly recommend you sign up and subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create specific flows and specific engines, AI engines that are going to trigger on specific pages of your website. So you provide a different type of assistance and you serve a different type of user intent on specific pages of your website. So stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you everything on my computer. So this is the backend of chatbotbuilder.ai. If you remember well, this is the bot that I created last time. And this is the master prompt that I created for the chatbot. So it's still the same. It hasn't changed. The only thing that I created is I created a new section, which is here. I created some VPN reviews. So yeah, it's here. So VPN review summaries. So what I did is I scraped the content of security.org for their top 3 VPNs. So NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. I put the content inside of ChatGPT and I asked it to create a comprehensive review summary for all these VPNs. So I make sure I have all the important features, capabilities, special features. I added the speed test results as well because people want to know about the speed. I added some privacy and security features, data related to customer support, subscription plans and pricing as well, payment options, as well as the overall score of the review. So with this, I'm going to show you how you can create a product comparison engine that we're going to use to trigger just on our review pages or comparison pages. So this is very powerful. So I grabbed this content and I added this at the bottom of my prompt. So if you remember the prompt from last time, there was a section where I dumped all the URLs, the VPN URLs of security.org inside the chatbot. So right underneath that section, this is where I put the VPN reviews. So I did it, obviously, I didn't want to spend 2 hours on this. I did it only for the 3 top VPNs, but you can do it for all your products. So this is where I pasted this data and these reviews. So as you can see, GPT-4o Mini is now out and it has been integrated almost the next day by the Chatbot Builder AI team, which is very, very cool, very powerful. There's a lot we can do with this. It's as fast as GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is still available. It's cheaper, I think about 60% cheaper if I'm not mistaken. So this is very cool. They offer it for free as well as part of your plan, and also the number of characters you can use is very high as well. You can create some massive prompts, business prompts, and pack a lot of data into them. So I added this to the master prompt of the chatbot. I'm still using AutoGPT. And now I'm going to show you how we create a specific flow to have a comparison engines for the review pages. So you then have to go to flows. I already pre-built the flows because I don't want this video to be like 2 hours long. So one is the VPN comparison flow that we're going to see now, and then I'll show you how I create a blog URL. I call it the blog URL concierge. It's to help your visitors save a lot of time when they're on your blog pages. So the comparison flow looks like this. So it's very basic but quite powerful. I start with the get user data block, which is a way to ask a question to your audience. So for example, hi, you seem to be interested in VPNs. How can I help? This is going to trigger on the review and comparison pages. So it's relevant to these pages and to what people might be looking for when they're on these pages. Please ask me any questions you have related to this VPN, or if you want, I can also compare VPNs for you. So this is a get data block. So what we get is the reply type. The information we gather is a text-based reply. So I pick text. I save this response to a custom field that I call VPN comparison question. I remove the skip button label so they don't have the option to skip this question. So the next block, so I prompted a bunch of blocks together. I prompt chain a bunch of blocks together. I have a first OpenAI block where I used basic instructions, something like you are an expert VPN and security product reviewer. Your goal is to help our users by answering their questions in a detailed way or by comparing various VPN services. You should always provide accurate and detailed answers with a minimum of 6 sentences. So here the goal is to have accurate answers based on the review data that I pasted below. But also I want to provide detailed answers and lead with value, because this is the goal here. I have another prompt which tells OpenAI to forget everything they know about these VPN services. As you might know, OpenAI is already trained on a lot of VPN data, and most of the time it's going to be accurate for general questions, but it's not going to be up to date for like pricing structures. The number of servers or specific features are going to be outdated. So I prompt the AI to forget everything they know about these VPN services and to only use the data provided below. So below I pasted the content of the summaries of these 3 VPNs, and I end up by repeating some of the prompts, the most important prompts. I also tell him to add a disclaimer for speed test comparisons. Take these numbers with a grain of salt, as the speed relies on many factors, blah, blah, blah. So this is the user message that we process, the VPN comparison question from the blog before. We save this response to a custom field. I called it VPN comparison answer. We do not use any functions. We remember the conversation is fine. I like to lower the temperature. And I also bumped up the maximum number of output tokens to 500. So the second block, this is prompt chaining. That's an advanced chatbot building technique. But basically, the second prompt, what I'm doing is it's a prompt to improve the formatting. So your goal is to format the previous answer to make sure it follows the guidelines below, which are formatting guidelines, and add one of our affiliate links to it in order to increase the conversions. You should only use one link maximum per VPN service in each of your answers. You can obviously tweak this to your liking. So again, I list the preferred VPN links, affiliate links to use when mentioning or recommending VPN products or services. You need to always make sure you use these links. So you might recognize the special track links that I created and for all the top VPN services. I had some prompts on how to share links to make them clickable, so using HTML. What to not do and what to do. So that's basically it. I process the previous custom field, so the comparison answer, which I save into a new custom field. I'm not quite sure why it's showing this as a number, but this is pretty much the custom field I use to output the answer. So I called it VPN comparison formatted. No functions, remember yes, and again I lowered the temperature and I bumped up the max number of output tokens. We then output this to a text answer, and we just output the custom field. So I published this. I'm gonna show you how it works, and we're gonna see if the comparison engine is accurate or not. So I'm not quite sure why I have a glitch here. This menu is not showing, but this is the link you wanna grab. If it works, this is the link, and then to test the chatbot, and then you wanna grab the web chat link. So this is the one that I'll be testing. Okay, so we have the right welcome message. Hi, you seem to be interested in VPNs. How can I help? Okay, let's compare Express, Nord, and Surf. Which one is the fastest? So it always takes a bit more time when you're prompt chaining, because the AI has to process 2 blocks, basically. So as you can see, we get an answer which is following my, I might have made an issue with some HTML here. But as you can see, it's following my prompt. It's using my tracked affiliate links for all these VPN services, which is very good for conversions. And also, let's see if the data is accurate. So this is NordVPN. So NordVPN, the download speed without a VPN, 54.86, 54.86 Mbps, 41.37 with a VPN, and only a 24% reduction. So this is accurate. Let's check for Express, or for Surfshark is the second one. Surfshark, we have 16.21 accurate without 1187 accurate again, and that's a 31% reduction. So this is perfectly accurate. I didn't spend much time on providing examples of how I wanted the AI to answer these type of questions, but obviously you get the idea of how this works. This is very powerful. You can format it, you can instruct the AI to format it the way you want. You could add links to your review pages if you want, or just to the affiliate offers. There's a lot you can do here. Let's try with another question. Which one has the most servers? So in terms of servers, ExpressVPN has 2,000 in 105 countries, 2,000 in 105 countries. Servers, Surfshark, 3,200 in 100 countries. And NordVPN, where is that? Sorry, NordVPN servers, 6,200 in 61 countries. Perfect. Which one can be used on the most devices at the same time? When it comes to the number of devices, Surfshark allows unlimited simultaneous connections. NordVPN allows up to 10 devices simultaneously. Surfshark up to 10 NordVPN up to 10 devices. Surfshark is unlimited simultaneous connections, and Express up to 8 devices. Supported devices with ExpressVPN, 8 devices at a time. So this is perfectly accurate. which VPN is best for torrenting. When it comes to torrenting, you'll want a VPN that offers fast speeds. Here's how they all compare. NordVPN is highly regarded. It offers dedicated P2P servers for file sharing. Additionally, blah, blah, blah. So it's giving you an in-depth comparison. Not that much in-depth, but obviously I could have tweaked the prompt to provide much more detailed answers, to use more sentences in the replies. There's a lot you can do. It all depends on the prompt. As we can see, it's not using my affiliate links anymore. I could have probably prompted it a bit more and put more stress on the formatting and the use of affiliate links, but you get the idea. Let's compare the prices now, because that's one of the main questions people are gonna have. Which one is the cheapest over a 2-year period? When comparing the pricing, Surfshark offers a 2-year plan at approximately 2.19. So let's see if it's accurate. 2 years, 2.19 per month on average for Surfshark, 59.13. That's the price. This makes it one of the most affordable options. NordVPN at $399, $95.76. $399 and $95.76. And ExpressVPN $12-month $99. Okay, so this is not accurate for ExpressVPN because they do not have a 2-year plan, and as you can see, I did not put any instructions regarding a 2-year plan. So in this case, the AI is making stuff up. That's the problem. If you do not give the right instructions, or if you do not provide any instructions for a specific answer, the AI is going to make stuff up. So in that case, I could have probably added something like ExpressVPN does not offer a 2-year plan, but you can sign up for 2 years for around $200, which is $99.95 twice. So that's how you want to deal with these inaccurate answers. Can you share a table comparison of all their pricing? So the AI has the right data. So now we are creating a comprehensive review table. ExpressVPN 1 month. I don't think they have 6 months. Surfshark. Yes, Surfshark doesn't have 6 months. That's why we have the NA. But as you can see, the answers are all accurate, providing the average per month, with the 3 free months as well on some specific plans. 2 years, as I said, this is not accurate, but that's because I didn't put the right instructions. In summary, Surfshark offers the most affordable pricing option, especially over a 2-year period. So you get the idea. I could have spent a bit more time to tweak the formatting. As I said, the affiliate links are not are not being used in every answer. So I would have to put more stress on these formatting guidelines. But you get the idea. This is very powerful, because we can use this on the review and comparison pages, and people can save a lot of time by asking questions that are relevant to their type of usage or their needs. Very powerful. So now I'm going to show you how you can create a custom script that we're going to use to embed on these specific review and comparison pages, so that only this specific flow triggers when people launch the bot on these pages, on these specific pages. So this is how it's gonna work. You want to have, where is my script? So this is the template. Okay, so this is the template that I use for my script. This is the basic template that Chatbot Builder AI provides you with. So this is where you find the script. You go back to the settings. You need to go back to the integrations, the channel, menu, web chatbot. This is a web-based chatbot. You need to create a profile for your chatbot and for your website. I already did it to save some time. And here you get the code. So this is the code, the script, which is very basic that they're going to be giving you, but it has all the IDs of the chatbot. I use an improved version of this script, which I created using ChatGPT. I will be sharing it inside the description if you want. I like this one better because it has much more flexibility in terms of customization. It allows me to add my logo in the launcher icon, you know, the round icon that you see at the bottom of the website. Allows me to add my main color as well next to the image, the logo of the launcher. And also I can add a bit of text, which is going to be a floating icon that is showing up above the launcher icon. And it's quite powerful because it's a bit more eye-catchy, and it allows your chatbot to kind of engage with the users that are on the pages. So I tweaked it and I added something like, hi, do you have a VPN related question? Just to be used on these specific pages. So now we need to tweak the IDs of that specific script. So what you want to do is you need to grab this specific flow, and this is the code that they're gonna give you. We need to use this ref code. This is the reference of that specific flow. So here inside the ref section, you need to add comma ref, and you need to add the ref code. Sorry, wrong button. You need to add the ref code of that specific flow. Also, what you need to do is you need to grab the script of your chatbot, and we're going to be grabbing the ID number. So this is the main ID of the chatbot. That's what we use here, and the account ID as well. And that's what you're going to be using here. You would obviously, I'm not going to do it here, but you would need to add the URL of your logo and the main color code of the logo that you want to use for the launcher icon. Then once you're done, you grab the script, and I'm going to show you how you place it on your website. So let me find the right website that I want to use. Okay, so I use the WP Code plugin for this. There's a free version of the plugin. I think it only allows you to install a site-wide script inside your header. So this is where you would put the chatbot script if you only had one specific flow, one chatbot for the whole website. So this is where you would paste it. You would then save. I use the premium version of WP Code because it allows you to create some rule-based scripts. It allows you to trigger specific scripts on specific pages using conditional logic and special rules. So you would probably call this one something like comparison engine, for example. You have to paste your script. Keep in mind, this one is not gonna work because I didn't put the logo and the color. You want to auto insert it into the site-wide header of the website, and then you want to make sure you enable smart conditional logic, because otherwise they are both gonna conflict between each other together, and they are not gonna trigger. So here I'm not going to show you this in detail, but this is very straightforward. You can decide to show it or hide it on specific type of pages. So you have a lot of rules like type of page, post type, taxonomy of the page. You can put the exact URL of the page or the post. There's a lot you can do. Once you're done, you make sure there is a title, you save the snippet, and this specific flow is going to be triggering on the pages that you selected in your smart conditional logic. So very powerful. That's how you get a comparison engine to work on your review pages and comparison pages. So now I'm going to show you another one that we like to build. I called it a blog URL concierge. It's an AI assistant that is going to be only available on your blog page where your blog role is, and also on your post. So that's the way I built it. I use again the get user data as a first block, which says, hi, I'm here to help with any questions you have regarding VPNs. So it's linked to the main master prompt. So it's going to be able to reply to any kind of questions that they have regarding VPNs. And also, if you're looking for a specific guide or a specific post, please feel free to ask and I will try to share a relevant URL. So this is quite powerful because this is going to help your users, your visitors, to specify a topic that they are looking for, and the AI, the chatbot, is going to look for the list of URLs of your website, and it's going to give them a relevant URL so they don't have to waste I don't know how much time just looking for a specific guide or a specific post. So again, I created the same process here. We are capturing text. We are saving it to a blog question custom field that we process in the next OpenAI block. So the blog question, here I have a prompt with basically instructions on how to share links. Goal, you are a helpful assistant. Your goal is to answer any questions users might ask related to VPN and security. You need to provide detailed and accurate answers, and when it makes sense, share a relevant URL from the list below. So I dumped all the VPN URLs from security.org website. I use GPT-4o Mini. I repeat my sharing prompt and formatting to have HTML and clickable links. I save it to a new custom field. I lower the temperature of 500 again for the output token. I have a second prompt which is chained, which is your helpful assistant. Your goal is to format the answers. So I have my formatting prompt here again. I process the blog answers from the blog before, and I save it to blog formatted answers, which is the last block where we're gonna output this answer. All the same settings. Blog answers, yeah, blog question and blog answers. Okay, all good. And then we output the answer into a text block where we just have the custom field, the last custom field inside it. So we publish. And let's test this chatbot. So you would use the same technique. You would have to tweak your script by using the ref number of that specific flow. I'm not gonna bore you with this. This is the same process as the one that I just showed you. So let's trigger this one. Hi, I'm here to help with any questions you have regarding VPNs. If you're looking for a specific guide or post, please feel free to ask. I want to know the difference between proxies and VPNs. So it always takes a bit more time for the first answer. Okay, as we can see, this one is not working. The link has been cut off. but it's providing a meaningful and well-formatted answer. Which VPN is best for Fire Sticks? Okay, I might have to, because I already asked a bunch of questions, I might have to clean the history of the chatbot. I'm just cleaning the history just to make sure we start from a blank conversation. Let's see if it works like this. Okay, so this time it's working because I cleared the chat history. So as we can see, very basic question, VPNs versus proxies. We have nice formatting, the pros of each option. And for a more detailed comparison, you can check this link. And if I click the link and open it up, it's the right article, perfect. That's very valuable for the audience. I'm looking for the best VPN for Fire Sticks. Okay, so in this case, it's providing a mix of affiliate links according to our instructions. Always use these top three. These VPNs not only enhance your streaming experience, you can find in-depth reviews. So here the chatbot is providing the links to the 3 review pages. So this is very valuable. All the URLs are loading correctly. This is perfect. Let's see what else we have in the list, but you get the idea. Is there a post explaining how to install a VPN? There's obviously more that I could have done. I could have spent more time on the prompt to prompt it to answer a specific type of questions in a certain way, using either a mix of affiliate links, internal links, as well as sharing links to valuable resources. There's a lot you can do. You obviously need to go back to your OpenAI blogs and provide examples of how you want the AI to provide the answers. But you get the idea, and it's showing you what you can do. It's very powerful. So there's a quick, well formatted with 6 steps answers on how to install a VPN. And then there's a reply VPN setup to a relevant URL explaining how to set up a URL. So as you can see, this is very powerful. This is going to provide a lot of value to your visitors that are on your blog post or your blog page. And this is going to help them to get quick and accurate answers, as well as push them down the conversion funnel, the affiliate conversion funnels. There's a lot of rules and prompting you can do to get the AI to recommend some top VPN reviews or VPN review links as well. There's a lot you can do with these OpenAI blogs, basically. So I hope you found this video valuable. I tried to make it not too long for you, but yeah, there's always a lot to cover. If you like this video and if you're into affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because this is going to be part of a series of videos I'm making for AI chatbots for affiliates websites. So there will be more videos coming. If you want to build these chatbots for your affiliate sites, you can use chatbotbuilder.ai. It's, in my opinion, one of the best tools currently available. It's very user-friendly, but very powerful as well. Like beginners, both beginners and advanced chatbot builders like my team use it because it's a very versatile tool and it allows you to do a lot. I've barely scratched the surface on what can be done for affiliates websites, but we are building some pretty cool chatbots using it. If you want to work with us, if you have a project for an affiliate site, reach out to me and my team. I will put the link into the description. There's a lot we can do to help you and your affiliate website and business. I hope you like this video. Thanks for following it. Have a nice day. Bye.